When I fish for panfish, I like to use a sensitive, short, ultralight rod. And one thing that I really like doing is using a knot that has a loop in it. I don't like using a snap, especially with light jig heads when I'm making a very delicate presentation. I like to use a knot that allows the lure to swim freely. Whether I'm casting a small grub and retrieving it slowly, I want to get as natural as action from that lure as possible to fool those big panfish.
My tip is not so much about confidence, but it has to do with practicality. When I'm fishing, I'm not fishing in the morning, I'm not fishing late at night when the fish are biting. I'm fishing like from 10 o'clock in the morning to 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and they don't want to eat. So what I'm doing is I tip my jig or my bait with worm, and then my secret is I use a half of a grub and I put it on here and it holds the worm tight. And I'll tell you something, I get more grubs gone and more worms saved. Lots of bites, but when they bite big.
Something that gives me a lot of confidence fishing for panfish is using fluorocarbon leaders about 6 feet in length that are light, about 4-pound test. Another thing is the jig head. I like to use 1/8 of an ounce jig heads or less because I get a nice subtle fall in the water and that triggers a lot of bites. So keep that in mind next time you're out in the water.